Hey guys, Nick here from Nick's Taxes, and I know I've been making a lot of videos regarding the Canada Recovery Benefit, helping people that have missed out on work due to the pandemic and are now relying on government supports to get by until they can find another job. And so I realize and recognize that there are a lot of people who watch this channel that are in tough financial situations. So that is why today I have partnered with the Family Tax Recovery Group, and what they do is they help look at your prior year tax returns for any potential refunds that went unclaimed in the prior 10 years of your filing. So this is a potential opportunity for you guys to partner and work with the Family Tax Recovery and maybe get some extra money in terms of tax refunds that you never accessed before. So that's going to be today's video. We're going to talk about how this works and what you can kind of expect working with a group like Family Tax Recovery. I do recognize this is a tough time for many people. So anywhere you can get some extra cash, you would jump on that opportunity, especially if it's risk-free, such as this program. So I wanted to shed some light on this. I know with my partnership with the disability tax credit with Grants International, a lot of you guys have taken advantage of that and have been using that service. So if you're someone who has a disability or has problems with your mobility, getting around, your vision, anything like that, and think that you might qualify for a disability tax credit to get even more savings on your tax returns, you can check that out as well in my descriptions. But this is really for anybody who files their taxes. And so ideally this is for people aged 28 or older, because the Family Tax Recovery will look at your prior 10 years worth of tax returns for potential refunds that you might have missed out on, that you haven't claimed or didn't take advantage of at that point in time. So I have a link down in the description there for you guys to click on. And once you click on that and coordinate with the Family Tax Recovery, they have tax review specialists that use special training and advanced software to uncover all different available benefits, grants, different changes in tax laws or errors or any unclaimed credits that might apply to you and your tax return for those specific years. What you get is a free, no risk, in-depth review of your past 10 years worth of tax returns. So they only get paid if you end up in a refund position. If they realize, hey, you filed everything properly, then there's no risk for you in trying this out. But if they find something, then it's a win-win situation, because you're getting that refund money back that you never really were expecting in the first place. So you might be asking, how much money can I potentially expect? Well, looking over the course of 10 years, there's no guarantee, but a lot of their clients range from the several hundreds to many thousands of dollars in tax refunds. And what they end up doing is they'll file an amended tax return for that year to make those claims and request for that refund or that tax payment back. Often photocopies of your tax returns are often not required as well. So you don't need to worry, be like, hey Nick, I don't have my tax returns anymore. They often don't need your photocopies of those returns, so no need to fret there. Again, there's absolutely no cost up front if no refund is found. So there's no risk for you to partner with them and find out if you are in a potential refund position for a prior year's tax return or not. So if you are interested in this program, you're going to want to check out the link below and go to the Family Tax Recovery website there. Put in your information and connect with them there. And who knows, you might be sitting on a couple $1,000s worth of tax refunds that you didn't know were available to you. I feel like this is a good time, especially with the other social programs from our government are being cut. This is a good time potentially to connect with these people and take a look to see if there's any refunds. Now, you don't need to coordinate this with your tax accountant. If you have one, they can do this separately. You don't need to communicate with them unless you really want to. This is done separately, where they do their own review of your tax return. Most accountants, when they do your taxes, they just look at the current year and maybe a year previous. But these guys take a look at a full 10-year review to see what's going on and to see if there's any potential refunds that are available for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing as I make videos on Canadian personal tax, finance, and investing. Particularly looking at ways that we can save and make the most of our money. So I believe this fit right into what we talk about on this channel. If you have any other suggestions on how to save money, or if you'd like more videos on that, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm Nick from Nick's Taxes. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy taxing.